Sustainability is at the heart of everything today. It goes through 4 different streams. One is technology, the other is the wide use of sustainable aviation fuel. The other one is carbon compensation through different market-based measures. The fourth one is air traffic management solutions that includes fuel efficiency solutions.
At easyJet, we're committed to reducing our emissions per passenger. If we think about our net zero roadmap, we've actually reduced our carbon emissions intensity per passenger by 5% since 2019, and that's a result of a combination of new aircraft, fleet renewal, and operational efficiencies.
Fuel burn is a key driver when we're developing new aircraft, but also in the technologies that we're developing for our in-service fleet. When we combine the modifications we have available for our A320, for example, we can save up to 6% of fuel burn on an average trip.
Yet Sharklets can reduce an aircraft's fuel burn by up to 4%. We've already retrofitted 7 aircraft previously, so 7 A320 aircraft with Sharklets, and we're committed to retrofitting 7 more A320 aircraft. A big project has been the Descent Profile Optimisation and continuous descent approach, because that was a fleet-wide retrofit. More recent projects will be deploying FANS-C across all of our NEO aircraft. We've also retrofitted single-engine taxi without APU set to our modification. That essentially allows us to do a single-engine taxi without running the APU at the same time. We retrofitted FOMAX avionics equipment across our entire fleet. This allows us to have many benefits such as predictive maintenance, optimise our fuel burn on the aircraft, giving us a lot more data points than ever before.
So Skyways is a self-service data platform hosting the data of many airlines. Within the Skyways platform, we have the possibility to develop tools that have a big impact on fuel consumptions and CO2 emissions.
Other challenges include airspace, the congestion of airspace and the inefficiency of airspace where it's fragmented, especially across Europe.
Sustainability starts with an efficient flight plan, and in-flight planning provides that for our users. NavBlue is a wholly owned subsidiary of Airbus, a technology partner focusing on the flight operations domain. NavBlue also provides consulting services to our airline partners to analyze their fuel efficiency programs to ultimately reduce their fuel consumption and their CO2 output.
What is exciting about fuel efficiency is that solutions that we propose are already available today, and everyone can contribute. What is important is to federate this ecosystem to have a common target to decarbonize the sector.
Airbus have been great to work with. They not only support us through the delivery of the aircraft, but also throughout the life of the aircraft, making sure that we can get the latest avionics equipment installed on all of our aircraft to make sure we can operate them as efficiently as possible. I've personally been working with Airbus for over 10 years, and I'm always amazed by their expertise.